Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to paint your trim with your carpet already installed. For this we're going to be using a couple different tools. A paintbrush. As you can see, these tools have had a little bit of use. You want some kind of straight edge, that way you can put it back against the wall so paint doesn't get on your wall. And just a scrap piece of cardboard. We're going to slide this underneath the trim to keep that paint off your carpet. First thing you want to do is slide the cardboard underneath your trim between the trim and the carpet, making sure that none of the fibers of the carpet get caught in between. Doing this allows us to get all the way at the base of the trim without getting any paint on the carpet. Next, you want to take one of your straight edges and place it back against the wall. This allows us to get tight to the wall with our paint without getting any paint on the wall. Next, get a little paint on your brush. I like to start right about in the middle. That way I can work it up and work it down without globbing really close to the bottom. That way when you pull your cardboard out, you don't have any runs getting onto your carpet. So start with the middle. And work your way up towards the top. And the bottom. After you're done, pull your equipment out and you're good to go. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to paint your trim with your carpet install. Thanks for watching.